In previous class, we discussed about the intro and nomenclature and the preparation of the haloalkane. In next class or in this class, we prepare about the physical properties of haloalkane. What is physical properties? In this area, we discuss the state, solubility, density, boiling point of the compound. State, that means haloalkanes are present in the lower members of haloalkane are states in gaseous state. In gaseous state, that means except methyl iodide, then up to C18 are liquids. After C18 they are solid. Then we discuss about solubility. Solubility depends upon polarity. We know how polarity is determined. When the carbon bond and the halogen bond experience a different electronegativity. Here the del negative is possessed by halogen group, the del positive is possessed by the carbon group, but the bond is here polarity. So we conclude that is soluble in water, but here it is insoluble in water. The question arises, whether the CX bond is polar but it is insoluble in water, because that bond does not form any hydrogen bond in water. Then density. Density depends upon the mass of the compound. Whether it is in the mass of the compound, again it depends upon the halogen group. Why halogen group depend? Because the electronegativity of the different halogen has different electronegativity. So depending upon the electronegativity, the density is in the order of fluorine is less than chlorine, is less than bromine, less than iodine. Then boiling point. Boiling point is the boiling point of halogen group when attached to carbon. It greater than hydrocarbon. That means corresponding hydrocarbon अपेक्षा boiling point of halogen group रा अधिक हब. Then again we discuss how it is depends when the mass of the compound increases. Boiling point increases with increase in mass of the compound when similar halogen group are attached. For example, if we take CH3 methyl iodide is less than ethyl iodide is less than propyl iodide. Here the number of carbon atom increases. Again, if different halogen group are attached to the similar compound, boiling point increases increases in the following order. When similar groups are attached to the compound, like iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, but boiling point decreases in branch. That is all about the physical property of the haloalkane group. Then we discuss about the CX bond nature. The nature of CX bond. What is carbon halogen bond? We know the electronegativity difference. Here, which hybridizers occupied by the carbon atom? If we take the example of methyl iodide, then carbon atom has 4 sigma bond. So the hybridization occur by the carbon is sp3. Hybridization of carbon sp3. When sp3 overlap with the iodine group that present a tetrahedral shape. A tetrahedral shape. What is tetrahedral shape? That is carbon, 1 halogen, that is our tetrahedral shape. This edge is away from the observer, that is closer to the observer, and these two groups are above the plane of the paper. Then we discuss about the isomerism. What is isomerism? Isomerism represents same molecular formula but different shape of the molecule. This is called isomers and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. We all know about different type of isomerism in previous section. Here we discuss the chain isomerism of the haloalkane group. What is chain isomerism? Chain isomerism means the compounds having same molecular formula but different chain length. First we examine where the chain isomerism occur. If we take one carbon atom CH3I, methyl iodide, here no chain appears further. Again CH3, CH2I, there is also no another chain form. If we take 4 carbon atom, that is CH3, CH2, CH2I, that is our iodopropane. This can also be written as CH3, CHI, CH2, CH3. The molecular formula of the compound 1, 2, 3, 4. C4, 2 to 4, 6, 9, H9, I.